education is a one of the blessing of life and one of its necessities. Dear sister and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work not wait, not just the politicians and one leaders. We all need contribute, me, you and we. In our duty, we realize in the importance of light. When we see darkness, we realize the importance of our life. We realize we are silence. In the same way, and we were in the Swat. Dear children, the north of Pakistan, we realize, listen to me, the importance of pen books. When we saw the guns, why is it? Everybody, why is it? It countries, but which we are called strong. Friends are so powerful in creating words, but are so weak in bringing peace. Why is it? I say, why is it that giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard? Why is it? I repeat, I say, why is it? Look at me, why is it? It making things is so easy, but I say, building school is so hard. Listen, one teacher, one pen, one child, one book can change the world. Education is only solution. So education first. So I mean to say, listen, look at this. This education is a one of the blessing of life. Thank you so much.